welcome back to my channel. What's up, everybody? How are you guys doing? Miss Virgo Creativity. If you're new to my channel, you know what I already want you to do. I want you to hit subscribe and don't forget to like my video at the end. You feel me? Okay, so look, I call myself trying to make some banana bread. Now the banana bread, I think where I went wrong, I put 3 bananas in there. Why did I put 3 bananas? Like 3 bananas? I think I was supposed to use two, because I end up trying someone else's recipe and I think it didn't come out right. So I think if I would have added a little bit more flour, and I think if I would have added a little bit more, no, I should have added some Glabber Girl in there. Now, those round little, let's call them donuts, okay? So I was watching a rapper do this on his Instagram, and I just decided to do it again because that's something that I used to do back in the day too. And I was like, I'm going to try my hand at making these. So I got so many compliments. They really liked it. You know what I'm saying? Like, that's something that we used to do all the time. So if you are interested in making those, you can get the store brand biscuits. Okay. Well, really, like they're the Kroger brand biscuits. And all I did was just put a hole in it and stretched it. All I did was put a hole in it and stretch it out, and then I put about this much cooking grease inside of the skillet and just go ahead and cook them up really quick. And then the next thing you know, you take them right out of the grease straight into the sugar and the cinnamon, and then you just shake them up really quick. Now if you have Cool Whip, that's another thing, but I had the Ready Whip. You know, I think Cool Whip would have been better because, you know, it's able to stay a little it's colder, and Ready Whip is just like for your hot cocoa and everything. So this seasoning, I'm just trying to bring like decadent, you know what I'm saying, chocolatey food, you know, cake and stuff like that, sweet treats, you know, for the cold season, for the holiday season. Okay, but I'm also trying to watch too how much I consume. Okay, now when I went out there, if y'all watched my my cardio video and a little footwork, y'all, I was out of breath. Okay, I was just so disappointed in myself. I was like, why am I out of breath? So that lets me know that I need to get up my cardio game and get back on it, okay? Because the cold weather just does something to my joints, okay? Yes. So I'm like, but you know, I'm like, I'm gonna get back out there and get back on it, and I need to incorporate some indoor activities, okay? So yeah, so that was my sweet treats, because I'm like, I need to, you know, I need to get back into the grocery store. I need to go grocery shopping and all that stuff, because I need some more creamer. I need some more creamer, because the pumpkin spice Starbucks, it was okay, but like, it tastes good, but I'm so used to coconut cream and as well as hazelnut. So I'm like, I need to get back out there. But I'm gonna let y'all go ahead and enjoy this clip of me doing the sweet treats, and I'm gonna narrate that part of the vlog too. Okay, so I want to say happy Vlogmas Day 7, and yeah, happy holidays. So don't forget to give me a thumbs up, subscribe if you want, if you like, and share my content. Okay, so yeah, make something that I used to make when I was a little kid. Okay, and these are called donuts. There's my skillet. Yep. Okay, there is some brown sugar. Okay, here they are right here. Yes, they're nice and golden. And I'm gonna put them over there. Here they are, all of the sugar, cinnamon on there. Now you just gonna get cute, okay, and just, you know, put a little on here, like so. Okay, that's how it's gonna come out. Okay, you see, it's that time of the season. It's the holidays. What, I'm about to serve this up to my family real quick, and I'll catch you on the next clip. Okay, I have my brown sugar, my white sugar, the pot I'm gonna work with. I have my flour in here. Okay, I have my Miss Fields pan loaf, and I have my measuring cups. I'm about to whip it up, throw it in the oven. I'm gonna set the oven to 350. I'm gonna see how fast I can do this. And yeah, that's what I'm gonna be making. Some banana nut. I don't know. I don't think I have any nuts, but I think I'm just gonna make some banana bread. Yeah, that's what I'm gonna be doing right now. So as you can see right here, these bananas, they're pretty much, you know, need to go. So this is what I'm gonna do with them. Like, yeah. Uh, they're really, really soft. So you can just, okay, dump them in just like that. Okay, so I'm gonna put a half a cup of sugar in there. Okay. Yes. Half a cup of sugar. Set y'all down right there. Just lay it back on. Okay. I got my egg. Go ahead and drop that egg in there. Okay. And you know what? I think I'm gonna put just a little cinnamon in here this time around. Okay, so I'm gonna drop a little cinnamon in. Not too much. Okay, so I have the egg, I have the sugar, I have the bananas. Okay, now I need to do a 1/3 cup of oil. Okay, and I'm using some canola oil. You can't see, but this canola oil right here. I wanted to melt down butter, which I should have done, but hey. Okay, what did I say? A 1/3 cup. Okay, so I have my Betty Crocker cup right here, 1/3 cup of oil. Okay, it's just that easy, you know. Oil, and I guess I can put a little milk in here. Let me get the milk. Okay, a 1/3 cup of milk. Okay, okay, the milk and flour. 1 cup of flour. Okay, now there's my mixture. I already oiled my pan, right? Let me put this sugar up here, okay? I got my flour sitting right there. Okay, now I'm just gonna add the flour in. Okay, bam, voila. Okay, so I need to mix this up. All right, in it goes. All right, y'all see this on the other side. When it's done, I'm gonna let it bake up, bake away. Oh my goodness. That's the end of it.